The world is full of noise. It can feel overwhelming. Meditation offers a retreat. It is a space for inner peace. A simple way to begin is through listening. Close your eyes gently. Take a moment to settle in. Now bring your attention to the sounds around you. Don't try to name the sounds, just let them wash over you. Notice the high and low pitches. Feel the vibrations in the air. This is the beginning of mindfulness. The mind loves to label, it wants to categorize everything we hear. A car horn, a dog barking. But in meditation we let go of those labels. We experience sound purely. It's like listening to music in a new language. The sounds have no meaning other than what they are. Vibrations in the air, let them come and go. Don't judge them as good or bad, just listen. Thoughts will arise. This is natural. The mind is a thinking machine. Don't try to stop your thoughts. This only creates resistance. Instead, simply observe them. Watch your thoughts like clouds passing in the sky. Acknowledge them without judgment. Then gently guide your attention back to the sounds around you. The breath is our anchor. It is always with us. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Notice the coolness of the inhale. Notice the warmth of the exhale. Don't try to control your breath. Just observe it. Let it flow naturally. The breath is a source of peace. It can guide us back to the present moment. We often think we are in control. We make plans, we set goals. But life is full of surprises. Meditation helps us accept this. It allows us to let go of the need to control. There is freedom in surrender. We can't control everything, but we can control our reactions. We can choose to respond with calmness and clarity. Section 6. Accepting the present moment. The present moment is all we have. The past is gone. The future is uncertain. Meditation helps us appreciate this moment. It allows us to be fully present. Notice the sensations in your body. Feel the weight of your body on the chair or floor. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't dwell on the past. Don't worry about the future. Just be here now. Section 7. Finding ease in the body. Our bodies carry tension. We hold stress in our muscles. Meditation helps us release this tension. It allows us to find ease in our bodies. Start by bringing awareness to your toes. Relax them. Then move up to your feet. Relax your feet. Continue this process. Move slowly up your body. Relax each muscle group as you go. Section 8. Breath and body awareness. The breath and body are connected. When you focus on your breath, your body relaxes. When you relax your body, your breath deepens. This connection is powerful. It can help you find deep peace. Continue to observe your breath. Notice how it flows in and out. Feel the expansion and contraction of your chest. Allow your body to be still. Section 9, the path of tranquility. Meditation is a practice. It is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when your mind is busy. There will be days when you feel restless. That's okay. Just keep coming back to your breath. Keep coming back to the present moment. With time and patience, you will find tranquility. You will discover the peace that resides within you.